High above the earth, two aircraft come together in a delicate dance. One, a hulking tanker laden with fuel, the other, a thirsty recipient. This is aerial refueling, a feat of engineering and piloting that pushes the boundaries of aviation. Imagine a fighter jet, its range limited by the fuel it can carry. Suddenly its mission capabilities are extended, its time aloft no longer a constraint. Aerial refueling, also known as in-flight refueling, allows aircraft to receive fuel while in the air. This seemingly simple act has revolutionized military operations and disaster response, providing unparalleled flexibility and reach. Without the need to land for refueling, aircraft can stay airborne for extended periods, covering vast distances and maintaining constant vigilance. Whether it's a strategic bomber on a long-range mission, or a search and rescue helicopter hovering over a disaster zone, aerial refueling keeps them aloft and operational. There are two primary methods of aerial refueling: the boom system and the probe-and-drogue system. Each system has its advantages and is employed based on the specific aircraft involved. The choice of system depends on a number of factors, including the type of aircraft being refueled, the speed of the aircraft, and the amount of fuel that needs to be transferred. The boom system employs a rigid telescoping tube extending from the tanker aircraft. At the end of this boom is a nozzle operator, who controls the boom's movements and guides it into the receiving aircraft's receptacle. This system allows for a high rate of fuel transfer, making it ideal for large aircraft such as bombers and transport planes. The boom system requires a high degree of precision and coordination between the two aircraft. The receiving aircraft must maintain a steady position relative to the tanker, while the boom operator must carefully guide the boom into the receptacle. Any sudden movements or turbulence can cause the boom to disconnect, potentially damaging both aircraft. Section 4, the probe-and-drogue, a dance of flexibility. The probe-and-drogue system utilizes a flexible hose trailing from the tanker aircraft, ending in a drogue, a basket-like structure that stabilizes the hose in flight. The receiving aircraft has a probe extending from its nose or wing, which the pilot maneuvers into the drogue to initiate refueling. This system, while slower than the boom system, is more versatile, accommodating a wider range of aircraft sizes and configurations. The probe-and-drogue system is well suited for fighter jets and helicopters, which often operate in tighter formations and require greater maneuverability during refueling. The flexibility of the hose allows for some movement between the aircraft, making the process slightly more forgiving than the rigid connection of the boom system. However, it still demands exceptional skill from the pilots involved, who must maintain precise control of their aircraft in close proximity. Section 5. Grace under pressure. The pilot's perspective. Aerial refueling is a testament to the skill and precision of the pilots involved. Imagine flying within mere feet of another aircraft, maintaining a steady position while a fuel hose snakes between you. The slightest mistake can have dire consequences. Pilots undergoing rigorous training spend countless hours practicing aerial refueling, honing their skills until it becomes second nature. They learn to anticipate the movements of the other aircraft, adjust for turbulence, and maintain unwavering focus, all while battling G-forces and the ever-present knowledge that one wrong move could spell disaster. These highly trained individuals make aerial refueling look almost routine, a testament to their dedication and the advanced technology at their disposal. As we marvel at the spectacle of two aircraft dancing in the sky, let us remember the human element, the unwavering skill and courage of the pilots who make it all possible. Their mastery of this complex procedure allows us to push the boundaries of aviation, extending our reach to the farthest corners of the globe and beyond.